As you can see, we're busy here in the Ryker Hospital, but check it out. This just came in. It just got finished being wrapped by Sticky. Check out the wrap on this. Full Joker theme. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put the grill guard from Showchrome and some floorboards. Let's get to it. Alright, start by removing the front end. You know, you have 2 screws on the bottom and these 2 clips on this top. And then we're gonna remove these 2 bolts. And we're gonna put the new radiator guard in. Here we go. This is the guard. This is gonna protect your radiator. Look how nice and clean that is for a brand new bike. So this is gonna make sure we don't have any problems. 2 bolts underneath in Showchrome. Mount it, looking clean. So we added a lithium battery. I added a kill switch for all the LEDs, grill guard, radiator guard, and now we're gonna add some foot boards. Okay, finished the bike. If y'all remember, that's the bike I added all the lights to. About $2,000 worth of lights. Came back because he wanted a kill switch on the lights. Oh, where's my glasses? It's horrible out here. I'm squinting. Finished the bike. That's the bike that y'all remember I did about $2,000 worth of lighting on it. Came back, wanted a kill switch. He actually had it wrapped by Sticky. Shout out to Sticky Situations. Hit up her Instagram for wraps. We went with the Joker theme. We did floorboards, and we did the radiator protector and the kill switch hidden underneath. So this is what we got. There's more to come. I still got a few bikes there. So let's keep on working. It's busy over here.